Hello guys, today I am going to show you that how to make Windows 7 very fast without using any softwares. First let's just restart Windows 7 and then check desktops. If you have any unneeded files in desktop and any shortcuts, just delete those files because desktop is also part of drive C. And don't forget to empty recycle bin where we delete something and it will go directly recycle bin. That is also the part of drive C. We have to focus on drive C, and don't forget if running unneeded programs. And then first of all we have to run msconfig.exe to check startup programs. Startup programs also makes slow down for starting Windows. Check the list where those programs are running at startup. Just untick those unneeded programs from the list. Just like I don't need iTunes to start first, and then antivirus it's needed. Just to apply. Press OK. It will ask some time to restart, and you can restart later also, but just leave for now, it's okay. Don't restart. And then check drive C, how much free space is there. More free space means more fast, so we will clean up some unneeded files. Do this cleanup, and then let's see if there is not needed files in our system. Yes, let's see, 1.20 GB. Yeah, it's use file. Yes, so tick all and then press OK. Delete files. It will clean all unneeded files. It will never delete your needed documents, etc. Okay. Okay, then you can check again also if there is something remaining. Yes, 0 bytes, nothing. And other cleanup also, restore cleanup and program features, just restore cleanup, delete. Yeah, it will just keep current. Yeah, and don't forget don't forget to uninstall unneeded programs also. That also affects. Yeah, I don't need win area because I use always 7-zip. 7-zip is best for me. I don't need it. And anything else, just let's see. Yeah, I need it. Okay, there is nothing else. There is nothing to clean up for now. Press OK. Tools. Yeah, and check downloads. Sometimes we download something and we use them, and later we may not need those files because we already used them. And just I need music because I have downloaded it for listen, and some movies files, etc, etc, some softwares. Yeah, I will keep music and I will keep video too, but all those other files are not needed. So Control A and control click video, control click music, because I need those files, and I selected other else, so just delete them. Yes, yeah. I don't need compressed folder also. Yeah, I don't need it. I will delete. Yeah, it's very used file. Okay. Wow. Let's see. Yeah, more lots of space remaining now. Yeah, empty cycle bin. That's okay. Yeah, 39 GB free. Wow. Just take unneeded. Yeah, unneeded services, unneeded processes which are running in process. Yeah, okay. Because I don't need iTunes detector something application. It's okay. I need those. Yeah, it's okay. Because the running program also making your device slow. So just don't forget to check processes, services, and never forget for performance, because it shows how fast your device is running, how many space running in how many space running in RAM, and how many processes are affecting your processor. Those are effective. Yeah. Okay. Let's say, guys, this is the method which I have learned from myself to make free the device and make a device my faster. I'm making this affects me if my device is 100% slow, it decreases to 75%. It's not fully faster, but it improves something. Main thing is changing hardware of it the main thing. I'm using SSD, which is also making very fast. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day.